premium finish house and lot ba ang hanap mo na malilipatan mo agad in less than 3 months na may mababang cash out at malapit lang sa Evia, Alabang, Makati, Taguig at Airport? For as low as 186,000 all-in cash out, pwede mo nang malipatan to. Prime ang location dahil boundary lang to ng Las Piñas, Bacoor at Alabang area. Syempre, exclusive ang subdivision at complete ang amenities natin. Kaya nga bakit ka pa magre-renta kung dito kayang-kaya mo naman magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Kaya simulan mo ng taon achieving your home goal. Other premium house, and this is our Kathleen Place 5 here in Bacoor, Cavite na malapit sa Evia, kaya definitely flood-free at fault-free. And yes, complete finish ang turnover nito, so what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover except or remove mo lang ang furniture at texture. Maganda ang pagkaka-layout, kaya naman well-ventilated ang unit at kasama na rin ang lahat ng cabinets sa kitchen at sa mga kwarto. Modern ang design, minimalist ang layout, at mataas din ang ating floor to ceiling height. And comparing ito other project within the same location, ito na yung pinakamurang mga offer namin na maganda ang quality ng pagkakagawa ng bahay, and definitely hassle-free ang moving mo kasi even Meralco at water connection ay kasama na pang turnover. Kaya naman kung nagmamadali kang lumipat o di kaya nagre-renta ka ngayon at ayaw mo na mag-double or expenses mo, this is a perfect option for you. Floor area is 106 square meters at minimum lot area is 60 square meters na may 3 bedrooms ka, 2 toilet and bath, provision for a carport na half is covered na rin, at meron ka na rin service area na pwede mong i-expand upon turnover sa'yo ng unit. So paano nga nag-work ang lipat agad promo natin for this unit? Hanggang January 15 ang ating offer kung saan 186,000 nga lang ang cash out mo all-in na yan, at kung ma-approve ka na ng bangko in less than 3 months, pwede mo na malipatan itong unit na hassle-free ang processing kasi we will be the one to process everything on your behalf. Hire ka nga mag-cash out, we will seek for bank approval muna, kaya naman siguradong hindi masasayang ang investment mo. At kung ma-approve ka na ng bangko, 50,000 muna ang ika-cash out mo. Once loan paid out ka na, that's the only time that you will cash out the remaining balance of 186,000. So diba napakagaan ng financing natin? So paano? Ito na ba ang unit na para sa pamilya mo? Tara, tripping na tayo. See you soon at paalam!